going to be a very different video from what I usually make in quality wise, and yeah, this is the Eastcoast, like modernized Telecaster that I bought. I will have the correct name right here on the screen. I will also have the price on it. It's a very cheap guitar, and I'm just going to say my sort of first impressions, because I'm giving away this guitar to my friend, and I bought another one, as you might have seen in the unboxing part, for myself. Quality wise, for the money, it's extremely an extreme bargain. There's no sharp fret ends. They aren't rounded, the fret ends, so I feel a tiny bit, but they aren't like poking out like I thought they might would. It plays fine. The tuners are okay for the price, and everything seems like it seems for the price like an absolute bargain. Might have a dog here on it. So yeah, if you're buying this as a beginner guitar, I would definitely recommend you to do it, because it's for the money, it's unbeatable. And sure, it has its flaws. This pickup here is a little bit crooked, and I can solve that just by adding some foam underneath it. And the only thing I've done out of the box is I increased the tension of the neck, so the strings are a little lower, closer to the body, and it looks like I might need to dial it back a bit, maybe, but that's up to the new owner. He can decide how he wants it to be set. But yeah, my only real negative thing about it is the pickups. I think that the pickups are noisy and way too low output. So if you just put a pair of pickups in here that are a little bit like hotter maybe in output, and hopefully a bit quieter. I haven't checked the insides yet, and I didn't want to do it because I'm giving this guitar away. But yeah, for the money, it's a bargain. It feels good to play. The neck is very chunky compared to what I'm used to with my ESP and my Gibson, so it's quite a chunker. But yeah, it feels nice to play, and I can't like say that enough, because I'm from the school where if you bought a cheap guitar, they would suck, and I don't really mean they will really suck. And for me, this is almost unheard of. A guitar that is sub 150 euros and has this playability and everything works. I think if you compare it to something else that I have in build quality, I would say that it's slightly above my Squier Telecaster, or in the same area as my Squier Telecaster, but it's definitely better build quality on this guitar than on my Gibson CM when it arrived. So like, yeah, the only thing I've done to this before I recorded this very short demo and the part with my rectifier is increasing the tension of the neck, so that the strings the neck wasn't bowing as much. So yeah,